Up next on Nighttime News, how daylight savings time can cause cancer and what this means for your children. But first, I would like to thank our sponsors, Hotmail, Firefox, and Comcast Internet with blazing fast speed. We'll get right back to you after this commercial break.
When your bike gets a flat, you get angry. When you get angry, you yell at puppies. When you yell at puppies, you get a sore throat. When you get a sore throat, you want some milk. When you want some milk, you go milk your cow. When you milk your cow, well, you're angry, your cow gets angry. When your cow gets angry, it kicks over a lamp. When your cow kicks over a lamp, you burn down Chicago. Don't burn down Chicago. To get Fix-A-Flat, for 3 easy payments of $19.99, call 1-800-555-2135. I repeat, that's 1-800-555-2135. Must be 18 years old or older.
And we're back.
When your bike gets a flat, you get angry. When you get angry, you... Ah, man. Get Fix-A-Flat for 3 easy payments of $19.99. Call 1-800-51... I got it.